Technical assistance in planning is an integral part to implementation of the Safe Growth strategy. It helps get things done. Since Safe Growth is based on neighborhood planning, there are a number of steps needed to move things forward. One example of technical assistance in planning is the Fairhill and St. Hugh neighborhoods of Philadelphia, the HASE 2025 Neighborhood Plan. Every neighborhood using a Safe Growth strategy will develop a neighborhood plan. Like all plans, it will include public outreach, a list of neighborhood conditions such as housing, transportation, and zoning. But the key Safe Growth neighborhood plans is that they have crime and safety embedded into the plans. As with all plans, there will be a map showing the boundaries, land uses, and transport corridors. In Safe Growth, the very first thing to establish is a community vision of what people want in their neighborhood. So this plan will describe the results of those visions in the public outreach section. We can help establish some of the baseline data reporting the conditions of housing and streets in the neighborhood. The conditions related to crime and safety, such as crime maps that correlate housing, drug use, or public perceptions and fears. In the ASE plans for Fairhill and St. Hugh, all that data was compiled into some of the indicators the public identified as important. Variety of services, access to employment, friendliness to neighbors, crime, and others. All that information is assembled into problem identification charts with problems and specific issues. For example, desires for housing, retail quarters, senior services, education, crime in the public realm. Notice that in the Safe Growth strategy, all planning is considered while including crime, fear, and safety together. These are the ingredients of neighborhood livability. As the Philadelphia ASE neighborhood plan shows, at every stage, both first and second generation SEPTED is part of the livability solution. In this plan, many of the recommendations are already in effect, helping to improve the community quality of life. They made recommendations for streetscaping and housing, a new cultural center, and a new senior center, which is already built. Technical assistance in planning also includes embedding the Safe Growth strategy directly into neighborhood planning. For example, in cities like Saskatoon, Canada, the Safe Growth strategy, along with SEPTED, is already embedded as part of the citywide planning. The Neighborhood Safety Strategy section is a regular part of the City Planning Department. It's called the Local Area Plans. In this case, it's run by a senior city planner who works directly with a network of smaller city neighborhoods, each with its own plans, called the Local Area Plans. Technical assistance to help create neighborhood plans and implement special data collection tools. That is the path toward a city with safety and livability throughout.